Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is actually spring. So to say spring in Navajo, you say Daan, Daan, spring. But rather than just doing one of them, we're actually going to do all four today. So starting with fall, since fall is basically when the Navajo year begins. So starting with fall, we have Ak'eed, Ak'eed, fall. We also have winter, which is Haigo, that's winter. And then we have spring, which is Daan, Daan. And then we have summer, which is Sh, which is summer. To actually use it in a sentence, you basically have to use it with go. You can't just use it by itself. You have to add go with it, which is kind of like ly in Navajo. For example, the Navajo word for carefully or slowly is hajo'o. Hajo'o. It actually means more than one thing, but for this example, hajo'o means like carefully or slowly, or careful or slow. If you wanted to say carefully or slowly, you would say hajo'ogo, hajo'ogo, carefully, slowly, like adding, like rather than saying careful, adding ly, carefully, slowly. You would kind of do the same thing in Navajo, hajo'ogo. Another example, to say hurry, to say in a hurried state or hurry in general is tsink, tsink. If you want to say like something is occurring like in a rushed manner, you would say tsinko, tsinko. Something that's being done in a rushed manner, tsinko, go. Another example, to say flowing in Navajo, we say nille, nille. It means flowing, nille. To say it is flowing, you would say nilingo, when it's flowing, nilingo, nilingo, when it's in that state, when it's flowing, nilingo. You add go to it to say when it's in that state. Or you can say like finished, alsko, finished. You can say when it's finished, you would say alskogo, alskogo. When it's finished, alskogo, go. Now to get to the point of the lesson, again, Ak'eed, it actually means more than one thing, but I won't get to the other meaning. Ask a fluent speaker. Ak'eed means fall. Now when you say when it is fall, you would say Ak'eego, Ak'eego, when it is fall. So to use in a sentence like when you say when it is in the fall it's windy. You would say Ak'eego níyol. Ak'eego níyol. Ak'eego means when it is fall, níyol means windy, tle means usually. So when you say Ak'eego níyol, you're saying it is usually windy in the fall. Ak'eego níyol. Same thing with Haigo. Haigo is just winter in general. But if you want to say it is cold in the winter, it is usually cold in the winter, you say Haigo deesk'aaz. Haigo deesk'aaz. And again, Haigo means in the winter, deesk'aaz means cold, tle means usually. So you say Haigo deesk'aaz. It is usually cold in the winter. It is usually cold in the winter. Haigo deesk'aaz. And then back to spring. Daan means spring. So to say it is warm in the spring, you will say Daago, honeezílí. Daago, honeezílí. Daago. When it is spring, honeezílí, it is warm. Tle, usually. Daago, honeezílí. It is usually warm in the spring. Last one, summer. Sh. So to say in the summer it is usually hot, you would say Shingo in the summer, or when it is summer, Shingo deesdoi. Shingo deesdoi. Shingo means when it is summer, deesdoi means it is hot, tle means usually. So Shingo deesdoi. Haigo deesdoi. In the summer, it is usually hot. And that's how you would use those sentences. So you wouldn't just use the words by itself, but if you're going to describe something, saying when it is in that state, when it is summer, when it is winter, you add go at the end. You change the way the word sounds a little. Like you don't say Daango, but you say Daago. You don't say Ak'eedgo, you say Ak'eego. Haigo, Shingo. And that's how you use those words. And those are the 4 seasons in Navajo. And I gave you a couple of sentences and a couple of new words to learn. Sorry, I haven't been doing a lot of recent Navajo words of the day. So here's some that I just threw together, some that I've given you to play with. So now you know the seasons, and now you know like different environments like cold, hot, warm, windy. You know those words now. Have fun. Have any questions, send me a comment. And I know some people have sent me requests and I'm working on them, such as how to name the months, where the meanings come from, vowels and consonants, how to read in Navajo, what the Navajo alphabet is like. So I'm working on a lot of different projects. Sorry, I haven't been posting things lately. It's just I've been busy with different projects, and one of the ones that came out was how to play Navajo tunes in Navajo. That's just one of the other projects I was working on. So I hope you're enjoying the videos, and I plan to post more. I may not be doing a Navajo word of the day every day, but I'll try to post something. All right? Have a nice day and enjoy those videos and those words. Thank you.